Good afternoon, parents. I've been getting lots of messages on Remind that it's been difficult to sign your scholar into their um, Google Classroom. So I just made a quick tutorial. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to Google Chrome. I have it on my desktop here, but if you have Internet Explorer, you can use that. Firefox as well will work also. So you're going to go to Google Chrome, and then you're going to type in gmail.com. And when it comes to gmail.com, so I already have a Gmail and it's going to say sign in. For some that do not have a Gmail, let me see if it will do this. It's going to come up to this page. So I'm going to talk to those first that already have a Gmail for your personal account. What you're going to do is you're going to enter in your scholar's email that I sent. I'm going to use Carson for an example today. So when you enter in, let me see, it's all right. So I'm going to enter in the email. You're going to click next. And then when you click next, you're going to go ahead and enter in that password that I sent. Now remember, the format needs to be month, date, and then the year. So if you're missing a number at the front, it should be 2 numbers for the month, 2 numbers for the date, and then 4 numbers for the year. So I'm going to go ahead and type in this information. And then after that, you're going to go ahead and click next. Then it's going to bring you to this screen. So I'm going to stop right here for those that already had a Google account. For those that do not have a Google account, you're going to get this page when you type in gmail.com. You're not going to create an account. You're going to click sign in, and then it'll take you right to the page that we previously just did. So going back to after you've signed your scholar in and put their password, it's going to say welcome to your new account. You're going to hit accept, and it's going to take you directly to Google. Oh, sorry. Okay. Yes. Okay. So what you're going to do is you have the option, you can create a signature and change your profile picture and all of that, which is fine. But right now our focus is Google Classroom. So you're going to go ahead and go to your apps on the side. You should have Google Classroom available. If not, for some reason, you're going to go ahead and type it in. So going to your Google Classroom, now I have sent out an invite for every scholar to come and join my Google Classroom. So what you're going to do is just going to hit continue. You're going to select your role, which will be a student. And it's going to say Miss Witherspoon's kindergarten class. So you're going to go ahead and join it. Sorry, it's taking a little while. All right, it's going to give you some information. You can create a post and all that, which we will use a little bit later. The main focus once you log in is this distance education video. I've made it so that it walks you through pretty much all of what we're going to talk about in our parent meeting tomorrow. But for now, you're just going to go ahead and click on it, and you can go ahead and watch our video. And any questions and all that, please jot them down so that during our parent meeting tomorrow at 10, we can discuss all of that. And I'm pretty much going to go over the same thing and just make sure we're all on the same page. So once you do that, you can go ahead and sign out if you would like, or you can leave it open because each time you come back, it will just have you right back to this page. If you decide you want to sign out, you're going to hit sign out, and then that'll be that. If you have any other questions, please contact me via Remind. Thank you so much for listening to the video. I'll see you all soon. Bye.